In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect a bank account from QuickBooks Online. Whether you're looking to tidy up your account list or simply need to sever a connection with a financial institution that you no longer use, separating a bank account from your QuickBooks Online is straightforward. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can complete this task with ease. First, you need to navigate to QuickBooks Online and sign in. Head to the website and click on the Sign In option, which is typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Once there, make sure to select QuickBooks Online from the available options, as this will lead you directly to the page specific to your needs. Now it's time to enter your login credentials. You'll input your email or user ID and then your password. After that, click on Continue to access your QuickBooks dashboard. This step is essential as it grants you entry to your personalized financial space where all your data is stored. Once you've entered, it's time to navigate to the Bank Transactions tab. This tab encompasses all connected bank accounts within your QuickBooks. You can easily find it by looking at the navigation menu, which usually runs across the top of your screen. Clicking on this tab will give you an overview of your current bank connections. Next, identify the bank account that you wish to disconnect. Beside your account, you'll see a small bank icon. Selecting this icon will open a menu specific to that bank's details. At this point, you'll need to click on Edit Account Info. This action will allow you to modify the settings related to that particular bank account. It's crucial to ensure you're editing the right account, so always double check before proceeding. As you see the account details appear, look for the option that says Disconnect this account on Save. By checking this box, you're instructing QuickBooks to sever the connection with this account when you save your changes. It's an important step in confirming your intention to disconnect. Once checked, the system will ask for your confirmation. Clicking Yes reassures QuickBooks that you're certain about this decision and you're ready to finalize the process. Finally, make sure to click Save. Saving is the last and one of the most important steps, as it ensures all your modifications are recorded. Without saving, the disconnect action will not be completed and your account will remain linked. By following these steps, you're now able to effectively disconnect a bank account from QuickBooks Online. Remember, keeping your financial data organized is crucial for better management, and handling disconnections like this can help maintain a clean and efficient accounting system. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process.